Abby here, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we will be opening up 5 more Pokemon Sun and Moon booster packs. I'm really excited to see what we pull, and yeah, before we get started, my Instagram will pop up on the screen. My TikTok will then pop up on the screen. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification down at the bottom to be notified when I upload. And also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and on with the video. Alrighty, let's get started. We have Primarina, Lunala, Decidueye, Solgaleo, and Incineroar. So let us open up the Incineroar pack first. Let us see what we can pull today. Here is the code card. For to the front, as always, we have a Fighting Energy, Ultra Ball, Boldore, Timer Ball, Cosmog, Litten, Psyduck, Bounsweet, Lillipup, Big Malasada. Oh, it's a reverse Big Malasada, and a Beware. Next, we will open up Solgaleo. Here's the code card. We have a Fire Energy, Boldore, Lily, Metapod, Chinchou, Morlul, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygast, a reverse Lillipup, and a Decidueye. Next, we will open up Decidueye. Here's the code card. We have a Psychic Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Metapod, Torracat, Skarmory, Bounsweet, Alolan Diglett, Dratini, Sandygast, a reverse Masquerain, and oh, cool! We got Decidueye GX. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, wow, look at the shine. The shine is everything. The shine really is everything. That is beautiful. Next, we will open up Lunala. See if we can keep this luck going. Here's the code card. We have a Dark Energy, Metapod, T-Skull Grunt, Pinsir, Alolan Diglett, Dewpider, Alola Meowth, Growlithe, Ragnarola, a reverse Spearow, and oh, cool! Umbreon GX. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, that is amazing. Beautiful. Again, the shine, the beautiful shine. Wow. At a loss for words. I have to stop saying the word beautiful. I keep repeating that word. I have to stop doing that. The last pack we will open is of Primarina. Here is the code card. We have a Fire Energy, Howl, Wishy-Washy, Alolan Raticate, Stuffle, I can't say that right, Dewpider, Bounsweet, Lillipup, a reverse Dartrix, and a Stoutland. Oh, cool. I just had like a huge, like I could not say the word. Like it was there, Marini. Yeah, but see, I couldn't say it. It was very weird. That is awesome. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I will see all you guys in the next video. Bye!